Stock market investing. The stock market has long been seen as one of the most powerful tools for building wealth and securing financial freedom. From Wall Street to online platforms, millions of people are investing in stocks every day, turning their savings into opportunities for long-term growth. Whether you are a beginner exploring your financial journey or someone looking to diversify investments, stock market investing can be an excellent pathway to grow your money steadily over time. At its core, stock market investing is about purchasing ownership shares in companies. When you buy a stock, you essentially become a shareholder, giving you a stake in the company's performance. If the company grows and profits, the value of your shares can rise and you may also receive dividends. The stock market is not just about quick profits. It's about building wealth systematically, managing risks, and leveraging the power of compounding. Starting your journey in the stock market is easier than ever. Today, with the availability of user-friendly apps and online brokers, opening an account takes just minutes. All you need to begin is a bank account, some identification, and the willingness to learn. Beginners should focus on understanding the basics: how stocks work, what influences their prices, and how to analyze a company's performance before investing. The initial cost for stock market investing depends entirely on your budget. Thanks to fractional shares, you can start with as little as $50 or $100. Of course, those with larger capital can invest more and potentially see bigger returns. The beauty of stock market investing is that it's flexible. You don't need thousands of dollars to start, but consistency and patience matter most. Potential earnings vary widely. Some investors may earn modest annual returns of 7 to 10%, while others who choose high-growth companies or use advanced strategies may see much more. However, it's essential to remember that losses are also possible. On the positive side, long-term investors who stay invested in solid companies or index funds generally see substantial wealth accumulation over decades. The growth opportunities are immense. The global stock market continues to expand, and new sectors like technology, clean energy, and healthcare offer exciting possibilities. By diversifying across industries and geographies, investors can capture growth from multiple areas of the economy. The stock market also allows you to reinvest dividends, compounding your wealth at a faster rate. Of course, risks and challenges are always present. Market volatility, economic downturns, and poor company performance can all impact your returns. Emotional decision-making, such as panic selling during a crash, is another major risk. That's why discipline, research, and a long-term mindset are critical to succeeding in stock market investing. Some pro tips and best practices include starting small and scaling gradually, diversifying your portfolio to reduce risk, and focusing on quality companies or index funds rather than chasing quick profits. Consistently investing, even in small amounts, builds habits that pay off over the long term. It's also wise to stay updated with market news and continuously learn from credible sources. To close, stock market investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey of patience, learning, and discipline. When done right, it can unlock incredible financial growth and provide you with security and independence. Start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and stay updated with our latest videos.